a level teaspoon. Oh gosh. Okay. I can't stop.
You're about to get it all of the
I know.
Just take it.
Okay.
Are you supposed to chew it?
No, I don't know.
I'm so spicy.
Her eyes are starting to water.
I did it.
Oh! There's still some on there, but
I did it.
you did it. Spread down that milk. So Kaylee, how about you? Are you gonna try it?
No. I don't like cinnamon.
Smart.
I'd do a sugar challenge.
Oh well.
I did it.
You did good.
Woo. Okay.